and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be examining Spicychat AI. Spicychat AI. Now, we'll look at Spicychat AI to see how to use it. So let's start by explaining what Spicychat AI is. Now, Spicychat AI is an AI-powered chatbot platform that allows users to create and interact with AI-powered chatbots. These chatbots can be designed for various purposes, including customer service, entertainment, and education. Now let's look at a basic guide on how to use the Spicychat AI. The first thing you need to do is visit Spicychat AI website and sign up for an account. Then you provide the necessary information such as your email address and password. Once logged in, you can create a new chatbot. Choose a name and a personality for your chatbot. Next, customize its appearance and greeting message. The next thing you're going to do is train your chatbot by providing it with sample conversations and responses. The more data you provide, the better your chatbot will be able to understand and respond to user inputs. Once your chatbot is trained, you can start interacting with it. Type your messages into the chat box and see how your chatbot responds. Continuously monitor your chatbot's performance and make adjustments as needed. Add new training data, refine its personality, and improve its responses. Remember, Spicychat AI is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. By following these steps, you can create chatbots that are engaging, informative, and helpful. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video where we're going to examine another important tool. Bye for now. Have a lovely day or night depending on your time zone.